हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स। हम लोग सीबीएसई क्लास 10th में सरफेस एरियाज एंड वॉल्यूम्स ऑफ सॉलिड्स की स्टडी कर रहे हैं। इन आवर प्रीवियस वीडियोस वी हैव लर्नड अबाउट द फार्मूले of the topic and we solved some questions based on the topic. Now in this video also we'll continue the same. We'll learn to solve some problems based on surface area and volumes of solid shapes. Now the question is, a medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. क्या है? एक मेडिसिन कैप्सूल है, इसकी शेप सिलेंडर है और इसके एंड्स पर, दोनों एंड पर एक एक हेमिस्फीयर है, एक लेफ्ट में और एक राइट में. सी द फिगर. Middle part of this capsule is a cylinder. Okay, to the right side of it a hemisphere is stuck, and to the left side also a hemisphere is stuck. The length of the entire capsule is 14 mm. पूरे कैप्सूल की जो लेंथ है वो यहाँ से और यहाँ तक, पूरे कैप्सूल की जो लेंथ है दैट इज 14 mm and the diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. Diameter is 5 mm, so the radius is 5/2 mm. 5/2 means 2.5. So this is 2.5 mm. Here also the radius is 2.5 mm. This part 2.5 mm and this is also equal to the radius 2.5 mm. Total length is 14. 2.5 from this side and 2.5 from this side is subtracted from 14 mm. Then height of the cylindrical part is left. So height is 14 minus 2.5 and minus 2.5. 2.5 and 2.5 means 5 is minus. So height of the cylindrical part is 9. This part is having a height 9. Now the question is, find the surface area. So for the surface area of the capsule, there is cylindrical part in the middle. We find its curved surface area, CSA of cylinder. One hemisphere is to the left side and one hemisphere is to the right side. So CSA of two hemispheres. ठीक है, तो सिलेंड्रिकल पार्ट का CSA और हेमिस्फीयर दो हैं, दोनों का CSA. CSA ऑफ सिलेंडर इज 2 pi RH. CSA of one hemisphere is 2 pi R square. There are two hemispheres, so multiply by 2. 2 pi RH, 2 into 2, 4 pi R square. From 2 and 4, 2 is common, pi and pi is common, R and R square, R is common. From the first term 2 pi R is common, so H is left. 2 to the 4, pi is common, from R square R is common, R is left. So we have 2 pi R in bracket h plus 2r. Now put the values. The value of pi 22 upon 7. The value of r 2.5. The value of h is 9. 2 into r, that is 2 into 2.5. 2 into 22 upon 7 into 2.5. 2.5 into 2 is 5. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 2.5, and 9 plus 5 is 14. You can cancel by 7. 7 to the 14. So 2 multiplied by 22 and 2.5 multiplied by 2. 2 into 22, 44. 2.5 into 2, 5.0. 44 into 5, that is 220. Dimensions are in mm, so the surface area will come in mm square. Now we have one more question. A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. कैसा टेंट है? टेंट में जो लोअर पार्ट है, that lower part is cylindrical and it is surmounted by a conical top. The upper part is a cone. If the height and diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 and 4, तो पहले क्या लिखा है? हाइट, यहाँ फर्स्ट नंबर क्या है? 2.1. सो हाइट इज 2.1 किसकी? सिलेंड्रिकल पार्ट की. और डायमीटर कितना है? 4. ये आपका सिलेंड्रिकल पार्ट है. इसकी हाइट हाउ मच? 2.1 एंड डायमीटर 4. So diameter 4 means radius 4 upon 2. Height of the cylindrical part, capital H, is 2.1. This is for the cylindrical part. And the slant height of the top is 2.8. Slant height of the top. Top is cone, so slant height of the cone, that is L, is 2.8 given. Find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. इस कैनवस को बनाने में कितना टेंट, इस टेंट को बनाने में कितना कैनवस लगेगा, उसका एरिया आपको फाइंड करना है. तो एरिया ऑफ कैनवस विल बी इक्वल टू कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द कोनिकल पार्ट प्लस कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द सिलेंड्रिकल पार्ट. नो, क्योंकि नीचे का पार्ट सिलेंडर है, ऊपर का पार्ट कौन है? तो एरिया ऑफ कैनवस रिक्वायर्ड टू मेक द टेंट will be CSA of cylindrical part plus CSA of conical part. CSA of cylindrical part 2 pi r capital H and CSA of conical part is pi r L. No? Here pi r common. So from the first term 2 is left, H is left. Pi common, r common, what is left? L. Put the values. The value of pi, is it given? Yes, pi is 22 upon 7. then r is 2, height of cylinder is 2.1 and the slant height of cone is 2.8. 2 into 2.1 4.2 plus 2.8, 4.2 और 2.8 को ऐड कर लीजिए, 7.0 में 7 and 7 कैंसिल्ड, 44 meter square. Area always comes in meter square, so it is meter square. The question is, find the cost of canvas at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. So cost will be, because 1 meter square of canvas cost rupees 500, so 44 meter square canvas will cost 44 into 500. For more we multiply, no? It is rupees 22,000. Okay, so that's all for this video. We'll continue the same topic in our next video also. Thank you.